the new Porsche 718 GTS. Few automakers play the options game as cleverly as Porsche. No matter what model you're looking at, the siren song of the Porsche configurator is ready to lure you on to the rocks of financial ruin. And it's not just the obvious big-ticket stuff such as carbon ceramic brakes, PASM sports suspension, or the Sport Chrono package. It's detail things such as having the key painted to match your car's exterior color, fitting red seat belts, or a fuel cap with aluminum look finish minus $160 for something only you will see when you're gassing up. A click here, a click there, and the dollars quickly add up. It is possible to spec a Porsche 718 Cayman S to the point where you've effectively doubled its $68,750 base price. Yes, doubled. The 2018 Porsche 718 Cayman and Boxster GTS, which retail for $80,850 and $82,950, respectively, therefore seem like smart buys. These new 718 variants basically bring together the options Porsche knows Cayman and Boxster S buyers are most likely to consider: PASM, Porsche torque vectoring, 20-inch wheels, the Sport Chrono package, and the sports exhaust, among others, and puts them together in a value-priced package. And Porsche has put a cherry on top, too. The 718 Cayman and Boxster GTS get a 15-horsepower bump over S models courtesy of a bigger turbocharger delivering higher boost pressure through a new intake plenum. In GTS spec, the 2.5-liter flat-4 develops 365 horsepower at 6,500 revolutions per minute. If you order a car with the optional PDK transmission, $3,210, the engine also pumps out 8 pounds-feet more torque from 1,900 revolutions per minute to 5,000 revolutions per minute than in S models. In manual transmission cars, however, peak the torque output of 309 pounds-feet from 1,900 revolutions per minute to 5,500 revolutions per minute is unchanged over S spec. That's a reflection, says Porsche powertrain engineer Fabian Zink, of the fact that fewer than 1 in 10 Caymans or Boxsters worldwide are sold with a stick, not enough to justify investment in beefing up the manual to cope with more torque. As the bigger wheels and tires, sportier suspension, and the Sport Chrono package give the sharper reflexes we've already experienced with similarly equipped S models, the heart of the 718 Cayman and Boxster GTS drive experience ultimately comes down to the engine. A 4.2% increase in power, along with a 2.5% increase in torque in PDK-equipped models, might not sound much in the overall scheme of things, but there are measurable performance benefits. A tenth of a second has been trimmed from the 718S model's 0 to 60 mph acceleration times, and a Cayman GTS has lapped the Nürburgring Nordschleife in 7 minutes and 40 seconds. That's 2 seconds quicker than the current Cayman S.